Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how you can uninstall the Apple Music app from your Windows 11 PC. So first, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 PC. Now, click on Apps from the left side pane and then click on Installed Apps on the right side. Here, you will see a list of all the apps installed on your PC. You can scroll through the list and find Apple Music, or simply use the search bar at the top and search for Apple Music. Once you see the Apple Music app, click on the three dots right next to it. After that, when the pop-up menu appears, click on Uninstall. Now, you will see a confirmation pop-up. Here, click on Uninstall again to confirm. Windows will now start the uninstallation process. So wait for a few moments until the process is complete. Once the process is finished, the Apple Music app will be removed from your Windows 11 PC. And that's it. This is how you can uninstall the Apple Music app from Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to DigitWise for more helpful tech videos.